Our goal is to provide you with enough information to make a qualified choice when you purchase your best PEX crimping tools. So, let's begin. Number 1, most popular. IWISS Meet ASTM F1807 PEX Pipe Crimping Tool. Getting into hard-to-reach places during the installation of PEX pipe is simplified using the IWISS PEX Crimping Tool. The innovative head on this tool, along with its versatility, accuracy, durability, and ergonomic features, makes this one of the best overall PEX crimping tools available. Along with head ring adjustment, this tool also allows you to properly calibrate its jaws for the best fit possible for each ring size. This crimping tool is constructed of pressure-treated steel for greater durability. Number 2. IWISS ASTM F2098 PEX Clamp Cinch Tool. Those who prefer cinch clamp to crimp ring connections will want to take a serious look at the IWISS PEX Ratcheting Cinch Crimping Tool. This is among the best cinch-style PEX crimping tools on the market, because of its build quality, accuracy, and ergonomic features. It is properly set up with calibration adjustments to ensure the most accurate seal over time, which is something a factory-calibrated tool cannot provide. Its ratcheting design makes it almost effortless to use, will work on a wide range of cinch types and sizes. Calibration allows you to optimize the tool as it wears over time and with usage. Number 3. SharkBite 23251-inch PEX Crimp Tool. When it comes to simplicity and efficiency, the SharkBite PEX crimping tool is tough to beat. The durability, construction quality, ergonomics, and ease of use of this tool make it a solid choice for those who tend to work with the two main sizes of PEX pipe. Simple and easy to use without additional parts to lose and search for. Constructed of high quality, tempered tool steel and properly calibrated in the factory. The compound hinges provide you with plenty of leverage to make a solid seal, comes at a budget-friendly price. Number 4. IWISS Angle Meets ASTM F1807 Standard. This IWISS kit consists of PEX crimping tools suitable for 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch copper rings. The crimping tools feature angled heads which allow working in hard-to-reach and tight areas easily. The crimp jaw is polished to protect the surface of PEX pipe and copper crimp rings from scratches or other damage. Tools do not require any initial adjustments as they are delivered in a factory-calibrated state. Cutter with stainless steel blades and sturdy aluminum alloy handles. These handles are spring-activated, ensuring easy opening and quick cutting. Number 5. iCRIMP Ratchet PEX Cinch Tool. iCRIMP is a registered trademark of IWISS, and it focuses on manufacturing hand tools for a variety of applications including flaring and cutting tools. This feature allows reusing fittings in case of improper connection. This ratchet item is compatible with 3/8 stainless steel clamps to make reliable PEX connections. The cinch removal tool is made of high-grade forged steel, increasing its service life, and it comes in a ratchet design with a self-release mechanism which makes its use almost effortless. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share.